Hello everyone, good to be with you on this Wednesday. This is meteorologist Erica Rascaeta at the One News Weather Center. Well, taking a look at the headlines, we have some nice changes headed our way for the weekend. Spring-like temperatures trying to work their way back into the northwest. That's going to leave us above average temperatures throughout the day on Thursday and also into Friday. Now, the chance of rain will still linger, especially across southern portions of Washington and even across the Idaho Panhandle, and that's basically going to be for Thursday and Friday as well. But then the weekend looking good for everyone as high pressure will regain control of the weather pattern. Conditions throughout the past 24 hours across iFIBER, we did see highs above average as well as overnight lows, but dry conditions did prevail all across and even across the Columbia Basin, where temperatures were also above average, reaching into the mid-60s. I'm telling you, those spring-like temperatures trying to work their way back in just in time for April. So current conditions out there still showing temperatures in the lower 60s, pretty far from the dew point temperature, which basically means that we're dealing with a drier atmosphere than what we saw just a few days ago when we were dealing with some soggy conditions. Mostly cloudy skies out there with winds mainly blowing from the east, and here's what we saw throughout the past 24 hours. Low pressure still twirling around in the Pacific, leaving us abundant moisture across the coastal areas, even some snow across the mountains. We across the Columbia Basin did remain dry, but across the inland northwest, a few showers did make the way in. So the next 24 to 36 hours, we can expect that low pressure system across the Pacific to slowly work its way across the coast, leaving still some coastal showers. Now, we have temperatures above average near the surface, but in the upper levels, we have them still pretty cool. So it's basically leaving conditions favorable for a few thunderstorms to develop across the Cascades overnight and into the day on Thursday. A few coastal showers and also snow across the mountains as well. And even across the inland northwest, we are expecting the showers to continue Thursday into Friday. But take a look at us here across the Columbia Basin. Mostly dry conditions, although we are expecting mostly cloudy skies. That's going to continue throughout the day on Friday, where that low pressure system will basically fall apart, work its way inland, still leaving some showers across most of the inland northwest. But for us here across Washington, conditions will begin to improve as high pressure will slowly rebuild into the area, and that's going to leave us another gorgeous weekend. And although temperatures will remain mild, they still remain in the mid-60s throughout the next couple of days. So temperatures all across remaining in the 60s. That goes for the inland northwest, and even across the Cascades, and even across the coastal areas. Could see some upper 50s throughout the afternoon on Thursday. For us here across the Columbia Basin, temperatures as well will remain in the mid-60s with mostly sunny skies expected all across. So we can basically expect dry conditions throughout the next couple days into the weekend, even into the start of the next work week. All we can expect are a few clouds here and there, but still dry conditions and pleasant temperatures to last us until at least the next work week. We could even reach the mid to upper 60s for Sunday and into Monday. Then Tuesday, we'll begin to see a few more clouds rolling in. Wednesday, the next system slowly approaching from the Pacific, and that can leave us a few showers. But apart from that, dry conditions with lots of sun and very mild temperatures, spring-like temperatures back into the 60s. That's all for now, but we'll be right back with some sports.